A square is gotten by multiplying a number by itself. So a square is gotten by multiplying a number by itself. For example, e.g., if I have 15 times 15, that will give me 225. Is that true? Yes. Then I want to talk about square root. What is a square root? Alright. So the square root of a number is gotten by squaring. It's gotten by giving the original number a square root. Are you following me? A what? Square root. E.g., 225. 225 is an original number. So when I subject it to square root, also known as this symbol, I will get a square root. Do you get it? Yeah. Right, so how will I do this? I can use what we call the factor method. Yes. The what? Factor method. Factor method. Therefore, square root of 225. Because I write 225 like this. I look at what can go. Yes. Let's say 2 cannot go but 5, right? Yes. 5 goes into 200 with what? 40. Is that not true? 5 into 25 is 5, that's 45, right? 5 into 45 will give me 9. And 3 into 9, 3. 3 into 3, 1. Is that not true? Yes. Okay, so now I finish my division. I get a pair of these numbers. This one pair, this another. So out of this I write down 1, which is 5, and I write down 3. Huh? Yes. And I say therefore the square root of 225 equals to 5 times 3. Isn't it? Yes. Which is 15. So 15 is the square root.